Okay, so we are going to the shop. We are going to buy some things to go and cook for ourselves. Yeah. Okay.
Yo, I'm the guy from Ghana, living in Oman, rising like the sun. Yeah, I'm the man with the plan, breaking bottles, breaking barriers, breaking through the walls, making money shining bright. I'm standing tall from a crowd.
Yeah, this is spinach. Yeah, this is what we're gonna use for our stuff.
For Oman, I hustle every day. Yeah, I'm a champion. I'm the guy from Ghana, living in Oman, breaking bottles, breaking barriers. I'm the son, the man. Making money, making moves, shining like the
This is plantain.
Wherever I go, the world sees who
This is green plantain. That's what we are going to use.
Now I'm on the rise.
Yes.
Living my dreams, you can see it in my eyes. From the markets of Accra to the desert's embrace, I'm grinding every day, leaving a trace. From the cocoa fields to the oil lands, I carry my roots, I'm proud of where I stand. Ghanaian pride, Omani vibe, together they blend. In every city, every town, I'm setting the trend. I'm the guy from Ghana, living in Oman, breaking bottles, breaking barriers. I'm the star of the man, making money, making moves, shining like a star. Wherever I go, the world sees who we are. Started from the bottom, now I'm on the rise, living my dreams. You can see it in my eyes. From the markets of Accra to the desert's embrace, I'm grinding every day, leaving a trace. From the cocoa fields to the oil lands, I carry
Yeah,
my
so we are
roots. I'm
peeling
proud
the
of where
banana,
I stand. Ghanaian
as you
pride,
people
Omani
call it.
vibe,
That
together
is
they
plantain.
blend. In every city,
And,
every town, setting the
potatoes.
trend.
Yeah,
I'm
you
the
can
guy
see.
from Ghana.
Yeah, he is the master chef. You can see him. This is red oil. Those of you from Africa, you know what I'm talking about. It is from Malaysia, but the one from Ghana is very delicious. Yeah, so this is what we're gonna use to make the stew. This is plantain. This is what most of you call green banana. Master chef is going to introduce himself. Hi, brother.
Hi, I'm Christian.
Christian, okay. So tell us.
We're going to make something African food, very special food, you know. Most of you have heard a lot of African food, but maybe you don't know the different types. So we're going to make something like MPC, okay, plantain mixed with potatoes. And today we are going to make something very special, African food. We are going to cook plantain with potatoes. As this is on fire, so it's ready to boil, and it's going to take like 30 minutes to finish. And we are going to prepare our stew. We are going to use spinach and our
Green pepper.
Yeah, same
Okay.
like capsicum. We are going to
Okay.
use capsicum and other leaves. In Ghana we call something like nkontomire, but here we don't have it. And this is going to look same like nkontomire stew. We are going to mix it with eggs, and with onion, tomatoes, with garlic, and then some small ginger powder.
Yeah, that is our fried fish. You can see how it looks like. Yeah. Okay, so the stew is ready.
And you add your sugar, you boil it, you keep on stirring. Now we are coming to make a strawberry juice. It's our mixed strawberry, mango. This is strawberry, but we make it in cocktail. So we have our apple, we have our mango. Nice taste. You know, this is very special African food, Ghana food, bro. If this is in Ghana.
Yo,
You call this
I'm
one
the guy
yam.
from Ghana,
Yam with
living in
plantain.
Oman,
It's
rising
here
like
in
the sun.
Oman.
Yeah, I'm the man with the plan, breaking bottles, breaking barriers, breaking through the walls, making money shining bright. I'm standing tall.
can join
From Accra
us.
to Muscat, I spread my wings to fly.
yourself.
Wherever I go,
Yeah.
the world sees me, no lie. From the
delicious.
streets of Kumasi
So
to the
yummy,
sands of
yummy,
Oman, I
yummy.
hustle every day. Yeah, I'm a champion. I'm the guy from Ghana, living in Oman.
Food is ready.
Breaking bottles, breaking barriers, I'm the star, the man. Making money, making moves, shining like a star. Wherever I go, the world sees who we are. Started from the bottom, now I'm on the rise. Living my dreams, you can see it in my eyes. From the markets of Accra to the deserts embrace. I'm grinding every day, leaving a trace. From the cocoa fields to the oil lands, I carry my roots, I'm proud of where I stand. Ghanaian pride, Omani vibe, together they blend. In every city, every town, I'm setting the trend. I'm the guy from Ghana, living in Oman. Breaking bottles, breaking barriers, I'm the
In our
star,
next
the
episode,
man.
we are going to cook
Making
jollof
money,
rice.
making moves, shining like a
So wait for that
star.
video.
Wherever
Jollof
I
rice.
go, the world sees who we are.
Thank you. See ya.
Started from the
Bye.
bottom, now I'm on the rise. Living my dreams, you can see it in my eyes. From the markets of Accra to the deserts embrace, I'm grinding every day, leaving a trace. From the cocoa fields to the oil lands, I carry my roots, I'm proud of where I stand. Ghanaian pride, Omani vibe, together they blend. In every city, every town, I'm setting the trend. I'm the guy.